Hello everyone. We at Elixir Wellness are introducing Chiropractic Adjustments to our flagship branch, Pedder Road. This treatment can help you relieve pain, improve your mobility, and enhance your overall well-being. Whether you are dealing with back pain, a headache, or just looking to maintain a healthy spine, we are here to help. So book now.